The highly anticipated Nothing Phone 2 is set to launch next month, and recent renders have revealed a new curved design. In a conversation with Mladen M. Hoyce, software creative director at Nothing, insights were gained about the upcoming Nothing OS 2.0. During the interview, Hoyce expressed the goal of establishing a recognizable ecosystem that combines the best aspects of Android to enhance accessibility and efficiency for users. In March 2023, Nothing announced a strategic partnership with Block, which brought Mladen M. Hoyce and his design team on board. Having previously worked on Block's 018 Android phone and Ratio launcher, they are now collaborating with Nothing to develop the next generation of Nothing OS. Block's design philosophy, focusing on productivity and minimalism, continues to influence Hoyce's work with Nothing. Hoyce envisions a home screen that reflects personal interests and provides relevant information at a glance, reducing the need for excessive scrolling. Nothing plans to bring out-of-the-box options to the forefront, creating a functional environment. He says that collaboration between the original Oxygen OS developers and Block developers at Nothing has resulted in remarkable synergy. They strive for exceptional performance while prioritizing user satisfaction. The core concept of Nothing OS 2.0 is functional aesthetics, which involves transforming large amounts of data into visually digestible representations. Nothing plans to create a visually appealing and data-rich user experience. Following the launch of Nothing OS 2.0 this summer, the company will provide further updates on its compatibility with the original Nothing Phone 1.